God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't. God's plan.
Recording live, close, and in person from me to you. Hey, what's happening? For those of you who don't know me, my name is Robin, and I'm a real estate entrepreneur. I've bought and sold many properties, and I've been doing so for over 14 years. So I know a little bit about money and credit. I'm the CEO of JPC Equity Properties and Robin's Improve Yourself Consulting. I'm here to tell you some insider secrets and credit laws that the credit bureaus, the banks, and collection companies will never tell you. And they won't do so because they make more money off of you by you not knowing these laws and secrets to fixing your credit and boosting your scores, and how this all can be done literally in 7 business days. Despite your situation now, this knowledge will help you to have better credit and leverage and more money. These same secrets I've used to help many to fix their credit and to boost their scores, literally in 7 business days. So join me in a free brief online class so I can give you this game. This same game I've used to boost many and even my personal credit and scores from being 460 to 725. Check it out. That's 235 points, literally in 7 business days. So go ahead, click the Learn More button, and I'll share this game with you in the class. Be sure to like, share, follow, subscribe, all that junk. And for those of you who register, you'll be entered into a raffle for a $100 giveaway. And I'll announce the winner in the webinar class. So be sure to show up and get your money. And I'll see you then. Later.